15. Treatments for hyperthyroidism. Are you tired of feeling anxious, irritable, and just plain exhausted? If you have hyperthyroidism, you're not alone. Let's get started. 1. Medications. One of the most common treatment options for hyperthyroidism is medication. There are several different medications available, including beta blockers and propylthiouracil, PTU, which can help to slow down the production of thyroid hormones. 2. Radioactive iodine. Another treatment option for hyperthyroidism is radioactive iodine. This treatment involves taking a small amount of radioactive iodine, which destroys the cells in your thyroid that produce hormones. 3. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to remove part or all of the thyroid gland. This can be done in a minimally invasive procedure called a thyroidectomy. 4. Thyroid hormone replacement therapy. If your thyroid is removed or destroyed, you'll need to take thyroid hormone replacement therapy to replace the hormones your body is no longer producing. 5. Diet and exercise. Eating a healthy diet and getting regular exercise can also help to manage the symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Eating foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals can help to support your body's overall health. 6. Relaxation techniques. Practicing relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can be common symptoms of hyperthyroidism. 7. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body. It can help to reduce symptoms of hyperthyroidism by regulating the thyroid gland. 8. Herbal remedies. Herbal remedies such as ashwagandha, bugleweed, and motherwort can help to reduce symptoms of hyperthyroidism by slowing down the production of thyroid hormones. 9. Vitamin and mineral supplements. Taking vitamin and mineral supplements such as zinc, selenium, and magnesium can help to support the thyroid gland and reduce symptoms of hyperthyroidism. 10. Stress management. Managing stress is crucial for people with hyperthyroidism. Stress can trigger the release of hormones that can exacerbate symptoms of hyperthyroidism. 11. Chiropractic care. Chiropractic care can help to reduce symptoms of hyperthyroidism by regulating the nervous system and reducing stress on the thyroid gland. 12. Naturopathic medicine. Naturopathic medicine is a holistic approach to health that focuses on natural remedies and treatments. Naturopathic doctors can help to manage symptoms of hyperthyroidism by creating a personalized treatment plan. 13. Homeopathy. Homeopathy is a holistic approach to health that uses highly diluted natural substances to stimulate the body's healing process. Homeopathic remedies can help to reduce symptoms of hyperthyroidism. 14. Ayurveda. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine that focuses on promoting balance and harmony in the body. Ayurvedic practitioners can help to manage symptoms of hyperthyroidism by creating a personalized treatment plan. 15. Yoga and pranayama. Yoga and pranayama are ancient practices that can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which are common symptoms of hyperthyroidism. Certain yoga poses and breathing exercises can also help to stimulate the thyroid gland and regulate its function. Conclusion? So there you have it, 15 different treatment options for hyperthyroidism. Be sure to work with your doctor to find the right treatment plan for you.